Hey guys, Praveen here. Today we are going to take a look at Sora and how it generates, and especially its UI, because I love this UI, the sidebar, the empty states and everything. So it is very good. So I just wanted to take some time and see what other people have generated, and let's try something. So it generates images. I used it like way back when it first released, and it was okay, I guess. But yeah, let's try it again and see how it works. And first of all, the UI is really good. The sidebar with the active area just to the whatever the menu item is, that is a very nice uh, feature or like UI decision. And this text box, a prompt box, is also very good. So yeah, let's start with some let's generate something, and we'll go from there. Designer working on a cat website. What's storyboard? I just clicked on storyboard. I don't know what that is. So let's see. Oh, you can storyboard things. It is okay, yeah. Let's create it. So this is a 2:2 aspect ratio, 480p resolution. Let's see how that goes. Okay, it's generating here. But yeah, I really like this layout. The buttons are cute, the layout is cute, and they have video tutorials. Wow. Okay, this looks good so far. Let's see how it generates it. And this layout is also very good. They have a good eye for design. The last people who had this much of good eye for design is of course Apple, and they are more Apple than Apple right now. So this is what's going on. Okay, makes sense. All these buttons also looking good. It's much more rounder than the actual ChatGPT app, which is nice. I'm guessing this will take a while. So let's see all the other generations here. Static loop of a pixel art, girl sitting next to a cat on a windowsill, peering outside the window in the morning, sipping a coffee, motion with girl sipping coffee and cat wiggling. Okay, this looks good. So probably we can generate videos like this for maybe TikTok or Insta Reels. But yeah, this looks good. Let's see if video is ready. I was 68% ready. Okay. The icons here are also very good. They have a knack for creating like very good icon design and motion design. They have recently released a new feature called Codex, which icon design are also very good. Okay. Oh, this is very realistic. Let's see. Let's play and see. Okay, so everything looks good. All the pages are good. The hands are okay-ish. The screen is not okay. Okay. Up. What about the next video? Okay, here the mouse is in the keyboard, but the background, the person, the everything else looks good, except for the screen and the keyboard and the hands. Everything else looks good. Okay, I'm more impressed than I thought I would be, but yeah, but I'm very impressed with the UI itself. The UI is very good, and I hope they create more products like this way. So yeah, that's it for this video. I just want to gush about the UI here. Even the empty states, everything looked great. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.